What's up guys, it's Lori and welcome back to the tutorial. So today I wanna show you how to do the heel back chicken, so let's begin. To do the heel back chicken, it's important to focus especially on the right position of the feet and of the shoulders and head. The shoulders must be parallel to the floor. Keep the right arm higher to help you spinning, while take the left elbow to the back to keep the power during the spins. The pressure goes in the external part of the wheel, and the up leg push behind to get power. Be careful to always cross the line to make the 3 counts. And the look to the cone after you. This is the line you should draw during the trick. Forward heel for the balance. Backward heel for the balance. Slow spins around the cones. To get used to the spins. And now you're ready to do it perfectly. Thanks for watching and give it a thumbs up, share with your friends and let me know in the comments what you think about the video and what I should do in the next episode. And of course, if you have any doubt about how to do this trick, so record the video, post on Instagram and tag me in, I am Bisonte. And to follow my stuff, subscribe to this channel, put a like on my Facebook page, Lorenzo Guslandi. And so that's it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next episode.